Hey YouTube, this should be a pretty straightforward one. This is Dell all-in-one with the messed up charging port. Okay, as you can see right here, and we're gonna replace it with the good one. Where is it? Gonna go ahead and replace this charging port with the good charging port right here. I already took this port out of the all-in-one. Okay, so let's get to it. Okay, so first thing first, let me see, make sure I have this stuff in focus because I did some changes recently. Make sure you can see this. You can see it as good as I can. Yeah, that should be good. So let's apply some low melt here first. I'm gonna use a big tip, my Hako tip for that. So a little bit of flux. Okay. So let's see. Okay, that should do. I'm gonna turn it off. So this all pins are solder tinned with the low melt solder. This is the solder I use. I think this it's not like a super low melt. This is not like SMD removal solder, but you know, this is, you know, works perfectly fine. I think this is 148 melting point on this particular solder. So let me change my, you know what, I'm probably gonna use this. This should be good enough. Okay. This is a little too much of the airflow. I'm gonna stick with 5. Actually, you know what, maybe 6. Okay. Let me get the pliers, that would be easier. Oops. There we go. That's it. Almost. There's some stuff is still stuck there. Let me get that one off. That's it. Okay. So this is the old one. As you can see, looking good from here. Okay, so now let's do some cleaning. Okay. clips because some turn off the extractor. So some of these are pretty good, you know, I can see through. So, but some of these are not really. So, I have to probably do it from the other side as well. On a couple of these. So let's apply some solder, or should we clean it up too a little bit? Okay, that should do. So this one, this, and this. And let me cut the, as you can see, this is all used up, so I'm gonna cut the used part, and I'm gonna continue with my mission here. Okay, this one's good. This one's kind of weird, but I think it's getting there, and this one should be good as well. Okay. Okay. Okay, so let's see. Yeah, this should be good. Nothing's on the way there. In the way. This should be pretty good. No issues. Okay, so let me. I think I need to put something underneath because it's kind of hanging in the air there. So let me put this on this napkin. That should do it just fine, I believe. Okay, that should do. Now let's go ahead and apply some regular solder now, not the low melt, absolutely not. I'm gonna clean the tip. Okay, my fume extractor. Make sure the ground pins are soldered all the way through. Okay. Make it a little bit nicer, a little bit more flux. Okay, so let's see what we have on the other side. Okay, ground pins are soldered. That one. This one needs a little more, a little bit more. Okay, now that should be it. Let's take a little bit more. Yep. Now it's all the way through. Sounded pretty good. Okay. So let me clean it up. So remove the fume extractor. Clean up a little bit around that port, and it should be just gonna show you what I'm talking about. So you can see the ground pins are all the way through soldered, and those pins inside are pretty good too. Okay, that's pretty good. Okay, so let me change the view, do a little overview. It kind of came out a little bit crooked, just a little bit, but that doesn't really matter because it's all covered. It's just a little round corner there, and it's not in any way or anything. It does not affect anything. So okay, so that's how we change the charging port on this little Dell all-in-one. As you can see, all nice and beautiful. Alright, thank you very much guys for watching, and if you like my videos, please subscribe and have a great day. Thanks, bye bye.